Today we're going to show you how to stick the perfect reveal in 5 minutes. And I'm not joking, it's probably the fastest, easiest way to do it. There's no plasterboard adhesive, there's no nails, it's just one simple trick that will make your job 10 times easier. Let's get straight to it. So here's the area we're working on. It's basically brick next to a door liner. We have drew a pencil mark there, I'll show you why in a minute. And this secret weapon we're using, this is foam, and excuse the long shot. Basically what we're doing is adding strands of foam to this reveal. It's already cut into place, as you can see. Put a nice bit of thickness on each strand. Here's the secret. Don't stick it when the foam is still wet. Put your finger on, you're getting a bit back, then leave it. You wait until the foam is completely dried. So you put your finger on, not completely, but you can touch it. It's still paddy, but you're not getting any stick into your finger. That is a perfect time to apply the board to the brickwork. Now what that means is, one, it won't expand and keep pushing out, but two, it's at its maximum sticky point. So what you do is literally apply it roughly where you want it, get your level and knock it where you need it, and then literally just tap it 1 to 2 times, make sure it's plumb, and use that line on a door liner or window to follow to. That's a real good rule of thumb. It's just easier to work with. But then once you've got it to a nice point, leave it. Don't keep touching it, don't play with it. What you'll find is it'll just find its own stickiness, and it's plumb, it's flat, it's ready to go. Now the next bit now is sticking the beads. What I've got now is corner beads, stuck it in place, and here's the next secret weapon, it's a staple gun. Not joking, this is the fastest way to stick corner beads to any plasterboard. It does the job in no time, and it's very easy to work with. So we've got the foam, and we've got the beads. And look how strong that is. There's no movement. It's absolutely solid. Now that is the secret to sticking the perfect reveal in 5 minutes. Probably less, because let's be honest, it is a rapid system. But if you want to see a video on how we can start plastering this, which is what we do at Plastering For Beginners, then click this here where I'll show you a full guide on how to plaster a wall from start to finish. Click it now, and if you like this video, subscribe here. Cheers.